Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Got your coffee, guys. How's everybody doing out there on this thankful Thursday? Hope you're having a wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload my videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, if you haven't checked out my crypto projects, do yourself a favor, go to www.quopi.ai. Check them out, see what I got going on. Alright, we're back. Do a quick update for you on BrunoEx. I'll let you guys know on our coffee, on our What's Up Wednesday update that I got started with this one. Alright, not only did I use the exchange, the swap, okay, but I also went ahead and grabbed one of their investment plans, okay, and that's what I want to talk about as well. So I used the exchange, all right, because with the plans, they accept USDT Ethereum, I believe it is, and I wanted to use the currency I already had in my wallet, right? So I switched it. I switched USDT Tether for BTC. See right here where it says, see they have an exchange, right? And you can go here and swap out. So I went here and I selected, and it doesn't save it because you don't have to log in to exchange or purchase crypto. So it doesn't have the actual transaction, but I'll show you something. So anyway, I swapped some of my USDT Tether for BTC, switched it over, gave them my investment plan QR code they wanted me to send it to, and I started a new investment plan with them. So let's talk about this real quick. Let's go here. Let's go over this just a little bit. What is BrunoEx? BrunoEx is a 2-in-1 revolutionary platform for the crypto heads, wherein we provide simple and fast cryptocurrency exchanges with almost 450 coins available for exchange and holds no limits. You can exchange as much as you want, account free, worry free, and faster than light. The fiat on and off ramp options is also available, wherein you can buy or sell cryptocurrency with credit and debit cards and bank transfers, guys. This is powerful. Moreover, you can choose to invest your cryptocurrency in one of our meticulously crafted and attractive investment plans to earn a passive income, regardless of any volatility in the market. Okay? Who are we? BrunoEx is an asset and wealth management company that aims to provide premium crypto asset strategies and help implement them using our high-quality algorithms. Our investment reserves have been secured by the top blockchain security experts, and our investment strategies have been modeled by the top commodity traders in the market. Why choose BrunoEx? Easy and simple user interface. We have ensured that our people from all walks of life can easily navigate through the website and start their crypto investment journey in the simplest and most efficient manner. That's number one. Number two, professional fund management. Our team consists of seasoned crypto traders, commodity traders, and property developers who, through their vast experience, can get the best out of any market situation. Number three, secure and safest crypto investments. we provide our investors a steady source of passive income in a volatile market. Number 4, equal client priority. We value all our clients equally and provide the same quality of service, execution, and support. It's great stuff. And it goes on. Number 5, flexibility on deposits and term. You can invest with as little as 10 USDT and choose an investment term that best suits your portfolio. Wow. Number 6, crypto swap buy and sell. Over 50,000 in currency pairs. Fastest exchange process. Buy crypto with your credit or debit cards. Powerful. All right. Rewarding referral program. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7. Rewarding referral program. Unlimited and uncapped earnings on your referrals investments without an active deposit. Wow. So you don't have to make a deposit and they will reward you. 8. Internal P2P. That's peer-to-peer transfer. You can send funds to friends and family within the platform free of charge. All right. So, pretty cool. Like I was mentioning to you guys before, I know of someone of age that has had difficulty trying to upload their passport to other platforms or their license, and so I referred them to this one, and they can buy crypto without having to upload their ID. So they were excited about that, and they signed up to get them an affiliate account. Okay, now mind you, you don't have to register right here to even buy crypto, guys. Okay, and upload an ID. That's awesome. So he was excited about that, and he was able to go ahead quickly and swiftly go ahead and purchase some crypto. All right. So you can swap crypto, buy or sell crypto without any ID. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Now let's get into this over here. So I took it a step further. So I used the exchange to go ahead and get my investment plan so that I can take advantage of this to earn up to 202% APY by investing as low as 10 USD. Stable profits regardless of volatility in the market. No KYC requirement to invest. Internal P2P, which is peer-to-peer transfer. Choose your preferred investment plan and start earning now. You can opt to invest quarterly, half a year, yearly, and earn passive income on your cryptocurrency. So here's a few plans that they have. I believe it's 6 plans. Standard plan, 1.25% monthly profits for 3 months, as low as 10. Okay, we're talking crypto in, crypto out though. Okay. And remember, you can go here and purchase your crypto. If you don't have any, just use your regular bank card. All right, so low as $10, max $1,000. Okay, this is a 3-month plan. Monthly term is monthly. You get your capital is returned at the end of the term. The total return is 103.75%. Okay, then they have the premium plan that's paying 2.5% monthly profits for 6 months. The minimum to get in this one is $50 to $10,000. The term duration is 6 months. The payment term is monthly. The capital is returned at the end of the term. Total return 115%. Then they have the ultimate plan, 5% monthly profits for a year. Minimum deposit $100, maximum $100,000. Term duration 1 year. Payout term monthly. Capital return at the end of the term. The total return is 160%. The ultimate plan. Then if you come down to the wealth booster plans, limited period only, they have the daily plan, 1.25% per day. Daily profits for 90 days. The minimum deposit is 10. The max is 1,000. The term duration is 90 days. The payout term is daily. The capital is included. Okay, so you're not going to get your capital at the end. It's included in your profits that you're receiving daily. Total return 112.5%. Next plan, daily plan, paying 0.75% per day for 180 days. The minimum deposit is $500. The max is $10,000. It's a 180-day plan. The payout term is daily. The capital is included. Okay, with your daily profits. Total return 135%. Okay. Next plan, daily plan, 0.55% per day for 365 days. The minimum is 1,000 to 100,000. The duration term is 365 days. The payout term is daily, and the capital is included, just like the other ones here. The total return is 202%. All right, so you can get in where you fit in. I believe I've got this one over here, 1.25. And I just want to get it started. I'm going to add more plans to this because I like this. For me, again, I want to be able to add low risk projects. Okay, something running in the background. These can add up if you had a few of these going, guys, maybe up to 10 of these going, and you'd be surprised what you can do with these platforms. Okay, they can pay a cell phone bill, you know what I mean? So you have to look at the big picture. Yes, we want the now money, but what about something like residual, if you will, recurring, okay, with a lower risk. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, so you go do your own research and your due diligence in checking these out before you park any crypto in this platform and any platform. Okay, I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. We're gonna try this thing out, and we will add more to it. This is what I'm doing. All right, so this is educational. Take this as education and go run with it and do your research. And they're offering a 10% bonus on your first deposit, which I did get, by the way. And then I'm going to talk about the experience I've already had with customer support, which was absolutely great. Then they show you a video, guys, on how to invest. A 2-minute video. So easy, simple. Okay. Protecting investors' interests. I'll let you read that at your leisure. All right. We offer to invest in cryptocurrency with the least possible risk in order to get the maximum profit. Modern technologies and the best analytical minds are used in our company. We value each member of our team and vouch for the contributions to deliver on our promises. Okay. And then we talked about if you would like to refer others, you can earn a commission, but you can do this totally passive. Okay. Register using a referral link and get 10% bonus on your first investment. Get 5% bonus on all your referrals investments. Pretty cool. All right. So again, this is not high yield, so it may not be attractive to a lot of folks. But like I said, I want to be able to mix it up a little bit. All right. So anyway, now let's talk about this. I sent 2 different transactions. All right. And somehow they didn't get one of them. Okay, but of course I had the hash ID. I sent it over via email. Okay, this was yesterday actually, but it showed up, it says the 19th, but I did this yesterday. And I sent this email yesterday with the hash ID, and guess what? They located it, they responded, and they placed my deposit in my back office. All right. So, and they also send you an email when your deposit is submitted in the system. You get an email. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm putting this here to cover up my email. See right here, deposit successfully processed. Okay. 9:52 p.m. yesterday. Okay, so they send you an email. But my deposit, okay, one of them got lost in the shuffle. They didn't get it. All right, so they sent me an email telling me they received it. See, they sent me an email saying, thank you for reaching out. We have credited your account against your below transfer. Please make a point to include the hash ID in future deposits to avoid such situations. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. Okay, shout out to them for good customer support. Okay, so with that being said, here is my account. I logged in, and they gave me, because the second one showed up, well, the first one, so they gave me the bonus on this one, and then this one showed up. So they did give me a credit of 10%. All right, so this is how it looks, guys, in the dashboard here. We're gonna see how this thing goes. My understanding is on Thursday is when you can request withdrawals, and then they pay out on Fridays. All right, because I chose the daily plan. All right, hang on a second. Yes, I chose this one, 1.25. Okay, 1.25 per day. All right, so we have gotten started here investing in this exchange. All right, so super excited about that. Another passive play, guys. All right, so go check this thing out, see what it's all about. As I stated before, this is an exchange. It's an all-in-one. Okay, buy your crypto, sell your crypto, swap crypto, and then the investment plans. Okay, no KYC is required to buy, sell, or swap at all. Okay, nor is it required to invest. They say that right here. Okay, so you can get started as low as $10. Crypto in, crypto out. So I'm excited to see how this thing goes. Like I said, I'm going to add more plans to this. Had no idea this was here. And they have a Telegram group, by the way. Go check that out as well. They've been here 1 year. Let's see if we can get in there. Hang on a second. Yes. All right. Telegram group, guys. Ensure to submit your withdrawal for week 52 by Thursday in order to have them processed by Friday. While there is no maximum cap on the number of requests you can make, we advise you to consolidate your withdrawals into a single request. This allows you to avoid excessive payment charges, since each withdrawal is subject to a minimum fee of $5 or 5% per request, whichever is higher. Multiple requests might significantly reduce your earnings. Okay, so they've got a fee on there. Daily plans offer a steady path for financial growth, whether you're new to crypto or an experienced investor. BrunoEx has a plan for you. So yeah, guys, go check this out. They recently posted that in here. I was looking for it to see if I could find it. Hang on. To save time on the video, I'm not going to thumb through it, but they recently have had, like I said, 52 weeks in here. So go check it out. Look into it. Another passive play if you're so interested in the investment plan. If not, okay, the services they offer, you still will benefit from those as well. Buying, selling, and swapping crypto. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.